Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Comcast Xfinity Wi-Fi on your router app, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, open the Xfinity app on your mobile device. Log in using your Xfinity customer credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Internet section. You should see an option for Wi-Fi settings. Tap on Wi-Fi settings to access your network options. Locate the Add Devices or Connect Device button. Select that option to begin the authorization process. Choose the router you want to authorize from the list. If prompted, input the password for your Wi-Fi network. After entering the password, tap Connect or Authorize. Wait a moment while the app establishes a connection with your router. Once connected, you'll receive a confirmation message. To ensure a successful connection, check your device list in the app. Make sure your router appears as an authorized device. You can now enjoy your Xfinity Wi-Fi on any connected device. If you encounter any issues during the process, reboot your router. Reopen the app and repeat the authorization steps if necessary. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version for optimal performance. This process should streamline your Wi-Fi experience with Comcast Xfinity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.